Today I'm going to give you the difference in cost in building a pole barn in October of 2018 versus October of 2021. So stay tuned. I built my barn in October of 2018, and I thought it would be a good time to take a look at what that barn would cost in 2021. First of all, let me describe what this barn's going to look like. It's a 65/40 barn. It has 16-foot ceilings. It has no concrete floor. It's got no interior finishes. It's got a 2-foot soffit on the outside with aluminum gutters, a 12-foot by 12-foot door on one side, a 12 by 14 foot, and a 10 by 10 foot on one side of the building. There's 2 man doors, and there's also a 10 by 12 foot door on the other side and a 12 by 14 foot door on the other side. So let's take a look at the cost. I went on and it costed the bill of materials today, and it would cost today $38,957. Now don't click off when I give you this number or you're going to miss the point. Today's price, or the price I paid in 2018, was $48,500. Sounds like things are a good deal today, except for the fact that my price includes the labor.